iPad case from Amazon. This is the ZUGU case from Amazon. 看啊，哇，它的包这样美。
How much do you buy for it for?
$90, including shipping from US. I think it's a good deal lah. Very good review. Just like the picture, 哇，很重。You can do this. 它的 different angle. How easy is it to put it in? Okay. Just like that. 没事。这个是magnet的，是magnet的，你看，它不会掉下来的。
So 这个是那个 groove for the kickstand. So how it works is you flip over and you take out the kickstand and slot it into the groove. Yup, that's it.
Different angle. This is lowest. All the way flat 是这样。
So how this kickstand works is this kickstand can be magnetically attached to a groove just by lifting the kickstand and slotting it into one of the groove.
So for example, when 你这样的时候，它不会掉下来。看，哦，这样摇一下就会了。啊，也是这样呢，那就不会了。还有 one special feature 是，它有2个 pencil holder， 一个在这边。If you want to charge your pencil, you still can charge your pencil. You still can charge your pencil. Although 这边是 sealed 的 ，still can charge it 啦。Okay. So the second place to 放那个 pencil 是这边。所以你不要 charge 的话，你可以 just slide it in. And there you have it. The ZUGU case. 看一下它的这个 click， 还蛮 clicky 的，还有那个声音，你听到吗？
嗯。
哇！video 我可以看 video， 这是我们的 video。 对啊 ，can do some drawing like that， 所以可以画画。Ta-da! So easy.